Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Google Chrome on your computer and ensure it is up to date. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the window. Select Settings from the menu to open Chrome configuration options. Scroll down and click on Advanced to reveal more settings choices. Find the Languages section and click Language to view preferences. This section controls display language, spell checking, and translation behavior. In the next slide, I will show how to add and prioritize languages. Make sure you sign into Chrome if you want sync. Click Add Languages inside the Languages section to open the language picker. Search for your desired language using the search field at the top. Check the box next to the language name and click Add to install it. After adding, click the 3 dots beside the new language for options. Select Display Google Chrome in this language to change the interface immediately. Use Move Up to prioritize a language for websites and spell check. Restart Chrome when prompted to apply the new display language across menus. Toggle Offer to translate pages not in your language to control automatic translation. Turn off Offer to translate for specific languages via the 3 dots menu. Enable spell check for selected languages and add custom words for accuracy. If you sign into Chrome, language preferences will sync across devices automatically. On Android or iOS, open Settings, Languages, and repeat Add and Display steps. If a site still shows in a different language, clear cache or check site settings. Contact Chrome support if language issues persist after troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.